Oh my god, don't throw it away. Frying pan. Add your leftover stew. If you don't have leftovers, you can make use of any oil of your choice. Allow it to heat up. Add your egg. You can make use of any egg quantity, like 3 too. So I make use of 3 on this video because the rice was not much. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. In case I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Stir fry for a few minutes. Add salt. You can add dry pepper if you want. So make sure it's well cooked. Add your carrots. I use frozen carrots, but if you have fresh carrots, you can make use of fresh carrots. Don't overcook your carrots. Time to add our leftover rice. Add your leftover rice, combine and stir fry. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, share with family, share with loved ones. It's ready. Enjoy it with yourself or enjoy with your family. So delicious. So time to portion it. Enjoy with chilled mineral or chilled water. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit up the notification bell in case I upload a new video. You will be the first to be notified. Bye.